Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn a new word. The word is alter. Let's discover what it means together. Alter is a simple word. It means to change something. When you alter something, you make it different. You change it from one way to another way. Let's look at some examples. You can alter your clothes. This means you can change them. Maybe your pants are too long. You can make them shorter. Maybe your dress is too big. You can make it smaller. When you change your clothes like this, you alter them. You can also alter your plans. Plans are things you want to do. Sometimes you need to change your plans. Maybe you wanted to go to the park today, but it is raining. So you change your plan. You decide to stay home instead. You altered your plan. Here is another example. You can alter a drawing. Imagine you draw a picture of a house. Then you decide to add a tree next to the house. You changed your drawing. You altered it. Or maybe you erase something and draw it again. That is also altering your drawing. So remember, alter means to change. It is that simple. When you alter something, you make it different. You change it. There are many different ways to use the word alter. You can alter clothes to make them fit better. You can alter plans when something unexpected happens. You can alter a room by moving furniture to different places. All of these are ways to change things. All of these are ways to alter things. When do we use the word alter? We use it when we want to talk about making changes. We use it when something needs to be different. Alter is a useful word because we change things every day. We alter things all the time. Let's remember what we learned. Alter means to change something. It means to make something different. This is an important word to know. Now you can use it when you talk about changes. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep learning new words with us. See you in the next video. Subscribe to Wordscience for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you soon.